Yeah, I went ahead and got the flashlight. I wanted this recorded for posterity. So that's not a perfectly waterproof tarp at all. But it does cut the wind-blown aspect way back, which is great. I'm not going to go ahead and climb back out on the roof, but very glad to have gotten that up. Still got some serious wetness. Not a ton coming in at this point, and everything will survive. And tomorrow there will be a wall. Very inopportune. Inopportune. But it's pretty. It's a very pretty dormer. Excited about. Just, ooh. Well, that's life. That right there is life. I'm glad we got the roof on. Though, this, well no, I'm glad we got the roof on. The roof is waterproof. Tar paper is doing its job. Alright. Looking good. That was a slick move. A slick move. Oh!